So this is part 2 of me recustomizing this frontal unit. I went in and did a lot more tweezing. It looks like I did a lot of tweezing, and for some it may look like I didn't do enough tweezing, but it depends on the outcome that you desire. You have to understand, when you go in and you start plucking or tweezing a frontal or lace closure, anything lace, you have to have a hairline in mind. And so I already know the style that my client wants. I already know the look we're going for. And I know the potential looks we can go for. So I'm going to make sure that the plucking that I do is appropriate and it gives me the nice hairline that I'm looking for. But overall, the plucking I did on this unit gave the end result a nice, natural, flat finish. I can't wait to show y'all the install. Turn on your post notifications so that you can see the install of this unit. If you have any questions about plucking, let me know below and I'll do a more detailed video in how I pluck.